The biggest takeaway is that we have a zone system here, and the metal and the trace element geochemistry is all telling us a big story, and that is that there's an increase in grade and an increase in width of intercept towards the south of our project, and that's what this entire program was all about, to efficiently test beneath the oxide layer to determine if there was any sort of geochemical signatures relating to porphyry type mineralizations that we could vector in towards, the hot zone.
What metals are showing the highest grades here?
So we've got a really nice intercept, 12 meters of 1.5 grams gold in hole 5. That's a fantastic result as a first pass reconnaissance result, and we'll be definitely following up on that. So the gold is strong, and that's pretty exciting in the context of what's happening in the gold price at the moment. Now, this is not the end of the story. We're looking for something bigger than that, and the work we've been doing in parallel, the soil sampling, etc. All of this goes together, with the RC results, and has led us in two directions. So one to the south, follow that drilling result up, and further to the east as well to follow up those outcrop results that are in the RNS today, which provide us with high grade chip results for both gold up to 4.2 grams gold and silver up to 145 grams silver in outcrop. So the rigs are mobilizing.
Well, tell us more about the rocks that you'll be targeting in the follow-up drill program.
We're going to be targeting these type of rocks, these Maricunga style sheeted quartz magnetite veins, which are characteristic of a type of porphyry gold mineralization in Chile. And what's really interesting about it is that this type of mineralization hasn't been really recognized in the coastal belt. So this will be a big thing for us if we can pull this off. So it's worth testing. It's a really good solid target. It's outcropping. It's got some strike length. It's got good grades. And you can see the density of veining. They say 20 veins per meter is a good start. We're getting a lot more than that in these particular outcrops. So we're pretty excited.
And Sam, just tell us a bit about how Viuda complements what you've got at Mostassa.
Yeah, so Viuda is part of our drilling pipeline. Mostassa is obviously more advanced. Viuda is coming along behind it, and we've got other projects in that drilling pipeline as well. Viuda sits about 20 kilometres to the south of Mostassa, but it's looking as though Viuda, the more work we do, is more of a gold target. So that will complement our copper, our high grade copper and silver very, very nicely.